In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have Stripe linked as a payment provider in your Shopify store, so you can start accepting payments more smoothly. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you will head to your store settings. Look for the Settings option, usually located near the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click Settings, and then find and select Payments. This is the area where Shopify manages the ways customers can pay during checkout, including third-party payment providers. Once you are on the Payments page, scroll until you see the section labeled Payment Providers. In that section, select Choose a Provider. This opens a list of available providers that can be connected to your store. Take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify site. Next, use the search field and type Stripe. When Stripe appears in the list, click it, and then choose Connect. At this point, Shopify will redirect you to a Stripe login page. This is expected, and it is part of the secure connection process between the two platforms. On the Stripe page, sign into your Stripe account using your own login information. For best results, make sure you are signing into the Stripe account you want tied to this specific Shopify store, because payouts and payment records will flow through that account. After you sign in, Stripe will show a permission screen. This is where you grant Shopify permission to access your Stripe account for payment processing. Read the details on the page, and then approve the connection so Shopify can communicate with Stripe correctly. Once you grant permission, you will be redirected back to Shopify automatically. Back in Shopify, you should now see Stripe ready to be enabled. Click Activate Stripe to finish the setup. This final activation step is important because it confirms Stripe as an active provider for your checkout. After activation, it is a good idea to stay on the Payments page and confirm that Stripe shows as connected and active, so you know the connection is complete. And that is all there is to it.